Musamselebu has finally stated the reason why Umtaka Mangwabe, no abantu ababethi he's being hidden. No, he wasn't hidden. Musamselebu is the one that has been like more like isolating him. Let me not say isolating him, more like ubengamfuni emzumbe. So that's it, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jackie. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But Musamselebu did say ukuthi uMangwabe wabuya elomntwana esiza kwaMselebu, and that child automatically becomes his. However, that child ubesingamboni, and people were like, umntwana lo ufihliwe. No, the child wasn't hidden. uMangwabe wasn't hiding his son. He wasn't appearing in reality TV engaphumi emzumbe. So there is a clip of Musamselebu saying uSimphiwe ngeke aze emzumbe because kunamabhubesi saying their alliances. He was referring to Mangwabe's sister wives. Okay. Now, with that being said, Musamselebu also visited Mangwabe. We are going to talk about that in another different video, where he was thanking her for not leaving him. Because Mangwabe last episode did a farewell. This is the last time. But then she didn't leave. We are going to talk about that now. So Mangwabe was a little bit moody, and Mangwabe, she's always like, Musamselebu on an interview was like, Mangwabe is so disrespectful. So with that being said, Musamselebu, that is why Simphiwe hasn't been coming to Mzumbe, or why Simphiwe ubengamfuni emzumbe, is because ma umuntu ena emdelela angeke avumele ukuthi abantu abakhe babuye kwakhe like emzumbe. So does that mean ukuthi guy has been paying for ama-sins kamamakhe, like being punished for a mother's sins, since Musamselebu feels like Mangwabe uyamdelela? It's like Musamselebu entweni ezincane Musamselebu is going to find a problem. For example, on the last episode, Mayeni thanked him for providing a home for the kids, and then Musamselebu low-key called her ungrateful because for the kids, but why not you? Like, I also got this house for you, so what do you mean? So if you get my point, what I'm trying to say, Musamselebu always like, it's like he's the one that is arrogant. Not that I'm thinking any size or anything. So you guys, tell me what you think in the section down below, in the comment section. I'll see you on the next video.